Hi guys, my name is Vamsi, and in this video I'd like to talk about how to pass an array to a function. Well, you know how to pass a value to the function because I already told it in the previous tutorials, right? You know how to pass value to the function. All you have to do is just prototype a function that is int. Let's give it some name fu, and then because it takes an integer or something, initialize it. Got it? Now this function will do is it's an function which will return an integer, and then which will also take an argument integer, okay, of type integer. Now if you want to call the function, what you're gonna do is function, you will call something like, you will send some value x, where x is an integer, int x you declared here, and then when you execute that function, in x, it'll wait it will return 3. Now here what will happen is we'll make this equal to y. Now if you print the y, it will give the output 3, right? Now if you print y, it will give 3 output. But now what I'm saying is the value of x will be copied to the function. That is, if you change the value here, it won't be changed in x. That is, now if I print the value of, if I make the value of x as 4 here and print the value of x here, it will be 4, but still the value of x here will be what, 3 itself. Like the value of x will be nothing, like I haven't assigned anything, right? So what I'm saying is the pass by value is not good. They'll just copy the values from one function to the other function, but they'll not, like if you change the values in one function, it won't be what changed in other function. So you kind of have to pass by reference, and I'll show you guys what it is. If you want to pass by reference means you'll use the addresses too. So it'll be like, if you wanna prototype a function, when you're sending an array, you have to use something like this. That is in, and this is for like kind of initializing an array here in the function type. This for normal int and this for array. Got it? Now what you guys have to do is that integer here, int means the number of, the length of the array, and this is the name of the array here we have to send. That will send us the base address to the function. So now the length of the array is 4, and the base address is represented by the a itself, right? Now here we have to write it function for, and we're equating it to 4. So now here in a of, okay, this type, that's fine. Now you want to access a. Here what you have to do is print %d a of 2. Okay, 3 fine, 3 is fine, doesn't matter. Now change the value of a of 3. Okay, now I'll change a of 3 as 6, and then I'll return from the function. Now here, after returning from the function, in the main I'll print a of 3. Now let's see what will happen. Since this function isn't written anything, just put void in front of the function instead of using. Okay. Now let's try this and see what will happen. /d /d /d. showed that here first of all it will enter into the function by taking the length and the base address. After entering here, it will print the value of a of 3, that is a of 3 is, we know that this is 2, okay, and that's what it printed as 2. But now here in the other function we change the value of a of 3 as 6, but we printed that in main function, but it still got changed because we are sending the addresses. When we change the value using the address, the same value will be changed. So we are not copying here, right? We are using the addresses because in one address only one value will be stored. So if you change the value in an address, automatically the address is the same for the main function too. So in the main function also the value will be changed, and this is the use of the reference. So pass by reference is a good thing, important thing. While you're passing an arrays to the functions, all you got to do is send two arguments. One is the length of the array and the other is the base address, that is represented by the name of the array itself. And remember that this is how you initialize the thing for array, and this is in, you're sending these two as arguments, and this is the prototype function. And this is for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it.